What's up, y'all? It's Liyah Joinee and welcome back to my channel. As y'all see from the title, I'm about to attempt to do some Bantu knots. Now the product that I have right now is the Curl Stretch Cream by Shea Solutions. I found it in the Dollar Tree for $1, so I'm not really like expecting much from this product, but we're about to test it today and I'm going to do some Bantu knots. So yeah. So go ahead and leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on my post notifications if you haven't. And yeah, be sure to comment on this video and everything, and let me stop talking and let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna start with the back. So I'm just untwisting it. Oh my god. Let me take off this shirt so y'all can see it, because my hair is black. You can't see it with a black shirt on. Okay, I'll be back with all of this unraveled, okay? Okay, so this is how it came out. You see, it did shrink. I was expecting the product not to have that much shrinkage or whatever, but you know what? It's okay. It looks like I have like, I mean, it's cute. I mean, you could wear it out, but like, so right. I was just expecting less shrinkage with this product. I look like I'm from like the 80s or something, you know? I look like I'm like from the 80s or something. But it's like a little curly afro. Boy, if you like afros and curly afros, if you like your hair to be very bump, you know what I'm saying? Then yeah. Few times like. Okay, so I'm going to try to put it in a style real fast. Probably like in a high top bun. Because this did not turn out the way I wanted it to. Just put it in a bun. Alright. Okay, so here's the style. Boom. Bantu not out. This is cute. I'm gonna wear like this for the rest of the day because it came out horribly. Like, I did not expect it to do that. But anyways, I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also turn my post notifications so you can know when I post new videos, because I am going to be posting a lot of videos this week and next week and everything. So do that. Comment on this video. Follow my Instagram, follow my Snapchat, because I do post a lot of what I'm going to video on my Snapchat. Like, I show like what I'm gonna post. But yeah, go ahead and do that. It's Liyah Joinee and I'm out. Peace.
Hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey.